Welcome back to Lily's Everyday. Today we are making puff pastry appetizers. This is a very easy appetizer to do anytime, and it's very quick and easy, and you have a lot of choices as to what you want to do for the filling. But today we're going to be making it with the cheeses of choice. So for today you're going to be needing a box of puff pastry sheets, and it comes in 2 sheets like these. You're also going to be needing 3 eggs, of which you're going to divide those eggs into 2 different containers. One is going to be 1 egg and the other will be with 2 eggs beaten. You're also going to need salt and pepper, and this is my cheese of choice. I have crumbled up along with mozzarella cheese in here, and what we're going to do is we're going to put one of the beaten eggs in here like so. I'm going to go ahead and use some salt and pepper, and this is going to be our filling. Going to give that a quick stir. And this is how quick all this comes together. When you're ready to cut the pastry, I'd suggest preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and also have a baking sheet ready to go with foil and lightly buttered like so. And this is going to come together really quickly. So what you want to do is, I left mine out a little bit too long, but it's a little bit sticky. Typically you would want this to be refrigerated so that it's not too flexible and it's not too sticky, but we can still work with this. I'm simply going to cut this into thirds, and then as I cut, I want to peel it so it doesn't stick to the mat too much. And then I'm also going to cut it into a half. You don't have to be precise, especially since it's so flexible and it's been let out a little bit too long. But what you want to do is you want to take the filling and put it on 1/2 of the dough, and you don't want to do too much so it doesn't ooze out of the dough in the oven. And you want to cover it up and pinch the edges like so. You don't have to worry about the shape at this point because it's going to lose its shape in the oven. You don't have to be precise, and that's the beauty part of it, and it comes together so quick, so easy. You can definitely put Nutella in here. You can also mix different combos of herbs in the filling. It's really up to you, but this is a great way if you have unexpected guests coming up to your home and you just want to have something ready that's slightly homemade, ready to go, or if you were going somewhere to take this as an appetizer. It is a crowd pleaser for sure. So I'm going to continue on with the rest of the dough, and then I'll let you know what we have to do for the next step. We'll be right back. All of the puff pastries have the fillings in them now, and before we put it in the oven, which has been preheated to 400 degrees, we are going to just do a light egg wash on all of them. And I plan to make additional appetizers, so the 2 eggs that I have in this bowl is going to be just enough for additional sheets. So if you need to just crack 1 egg, you can do that, just for enough for an egg wash. But After the egg wash, we're gonna put it into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's nice and golden brown on the top. You wanna make sure you keep an eye on it because depending on your oven, it could actually go a little bit quicker. So make sure you keep your eye on it after it goes into the oven, after 10 minutes especially. And don't worry if you have smaller sizes like these, they're just gonna bake just as nice and golden. The good thing about puff pastry is it's not very temperamental when it goes in the oven. So I'll see you back soon with the final results. And here is the puff pastry with the cheese filling. It took about 15 minutes with my oven for it to bake all the way till it's golden brown. I hope you guys try this recipe and comment below if you do. Please hit the subscribe button and thank you so much for watching. See you back soon.